Good afternoon and welcome to the end of week market review for Friday, June 27th, 2014. You are going to see that our US markets are declining bullish while our Canadian markets are rising bullish. Now, despite the fact that we had very slow trading, we did end up seeing the week slightly up. Right now, the Dow Jones is only up 0.03% on the day, with the S&P up 0.19%. We're looking at some decreases in our commodities, with gold down 0.08%, silver down 0.97%, and oil down 0.09%. Here we're looking at the economic reports. You're going to see that they're expecting 315,000 filings of jobless claims. In reality, they had 312,000. So that was one of the few things that did help the market slightly, though there was a lot of negativity in the markets as well, especially with stuff that's going on in Iraq. Looking at the S&P 500 on the daily chart, you're going to see that things have been pretty flat, a little bit of up and a little bit of down, all of which, though, have continued to keep the MACD declining bullish and with that black line down below the blue line. While looking at the S&P 500 on the weekly chart, you're going to see that even if we do have a pullback, we don't need to be that concerned. It can go down to the 26 EMA without any concern whatsoever. Even if it goes down to the 40, we don't need to be that worried. Though if we do pull back that much, it would look very negative on the daily chart. It's really not a huge deal. Looking at the TSX on the daily chart, you're going to see that it's now finding some support at the 22 EMA, and we'll be looking for some overhead resistance at its previous cycle high. Its MACD is rising bullish, but with the black line still below the blue line. On the weekly chart, you're going to see just how strong those gains have been. We've pushed the TSX into some all-time highs. The TSX is now at its highest that it's been in its trading history. So definitely some very significant moves on the TSX's part. Well, looking at the volatility indicator, you're going to see that it is currently at 11.33. This means that it's been finding overhead resistance at the 50 EMA and is now also finding some resistance at the 22 EMA. Obviously, our goal is that we'll continue to see this indicator as low as possible so that we don't have any large swings on the negative side if things go sour. If you have any further questions, you can either send us an email or phone call. All of our contact information is on the screen. So with that said, this has been the end of week market review for Friday, June 27th, 2014. Ciao for now.